Welcome to our tutorial on how to prevent Facebook from accessing your media on your device with the latest updates. Follow these steps to enhance your privacy settings and control what files Facebook can access. To begin, open the Settings app on your device to access the Settings menu. Scroll down the Settings menu and locate the option for Apps or Application Manager, which may vary depending on your device. Tap on it to proceed. From the list of apps displayed, find and select Facebook to access its specific settings. Within the Facebook app settings, look for the option labeled Permissions and tap on it to view and customize the permissions granted to Facebook. Locate the permission for files and media or storage and toggle on the switch next to it if you want to allow Facebook to access your files. To prevent Facebook from accessing your media, select the option Don't Allow to restrict Facebook from accessing your files and media content. By following these steps, you can ensure better control over your privacy and prevent Facebook from accessing your personal media on your device. Thank you for watching our tutorial. Enjoy the enhanced privacy settings that enable you to manage what information Facebook can access. Take control of your data and privacy on social media.